Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another house tour. You are going to be very impressed with what you can get for the money here. So follow me. This is the first house that Chris's family has had since I've been with him. That's 2-story, so it's very exciting. We are in Villa Maria, which is in Santiago. It's a very safe neighborhood. It's right behind homes, great location. So here we go. Here is the outside. And then there's a big front area, which I like. There's room for 2 cars here. There's room out here if you want to play or whatever. A tree. If you want, you can have like chairs out here or whatever. There's room for that. What? He thinks that I'm like pretending to be a realtor, but it's fine, I am. Then we have the first living room. And a half bathroom here under the stairs. And then we have a dining area to the right. And then a super big kitchen. You're going the wrong way. Okay. And then back here is the kind of like service area. So typically this room back here, it's a little bit separate from the house. Sometimes it's connected. It's a cuarto de servicio or service room, usually for like a cleaning lady or a maid or whoever lives with you and helps out. Their washer's back here, and I'll show you the room. It's just a storage room for them. Storage room, but it's super big, and there's a bathroom back there as well. Now I will show you the backyard, which is awesome. Okay, out here we have a really cute little patio area covered, which is nice because it rains a lot. And then there's this spacious yard on it. Well, in my opinion, I mean, we haven't had a yard before here, so it's nice. Definitely room to like play with the baby and stuff. You know, you could put whatever little fire pit over there. They just moved in literally a week ago, so they haven't finished decorating and stuff. They just literally got all their furniture in. Okay, let's go upstairs. And then this just connects to the front. Little like walkway. Why are you so close to my face? Enséñame tu cuarto para mi video. ¿Puedo hacerlo? Okay. Mira, estoy grabando.
Sí, está bien.
Enséñame qué tú tienes aquí.
La cama, la televisión, el abanico, todo eso.
Ey, tú tienes un baño aquí.
El baño también.
Un baño, déjame ver.
Pero vale, el baño.
Y la ropa.
La ropa mía también.
He's like, go for it.
I know.
Pues, la ropa mía.
So he has like a nice sized bathroom too, shower. The closet's kind of exposed. That's what the house here has. And then the baby's sleeping in here, so we're gonna be quiet, but this is our room. Bathroom is not as big, but it's totally fine. Works for us.
Talk to it.
Just normal bathroom. His parents' bedroom. His mom is crazy with work, so ignore all the papers. But their room is super big. Lots of space, and clearly she works up here too. The ceilings are so high too, which I really like. And they have a big closet space as well. It's pretty open. she uses this whole closet, and then his dad uses the closet in our room. And then they have a really big bathroom. Which is nice too. Lots of counter space. Super cute. And then I think this room out here is probably my favorite, besides the backyard. And then this is probably my favorite room out here. I really like it. I think it's really cute. So it's really the second living room. So they have the couch. The TV is up here instead of downstairs. And then she said she wants to add like a chair and other things, a rug, but like I said, they just moved in. There is a balcony here, which I also think is really nice. The weather here has been amazing. It's really like fresco, like cool. There's a nice breeze right now. It's, let's see, it's 6:20 p.m. so it's pretty late and it's still kind of light out, which is nice. So we can show you the view from up here. So I honestly think that this is a really great deal for the price. They pay $660 US per month, or 38,000 pesos. To me, that's an amazing price. It's 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and then you also have the service room that has a bathroom as well, a backyard, a small but like decent front space with a driveway, space for 2 cars. This patio, 2 living rooms, so and the kitchen's huge, so I definitely think it's worth that price. Prices are really increasing here. The rents are getting a lot more expensive, so I'm kind of surprised they found a house for this much. Sometimes apartments are even more than this, depending where they are and if they're furnished and the lease terms and stuff like that. But overall, an amazing deal. And they just have to pay electricity, Wi-Fi, lights and hot water, stuff like that on top of it, but that's never that expensive, honestly, in my experience. Okay, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'd be happy to answer them. Like I said, this is in Villa Maria, which is a really safe, cute neighborhood. It's super residential. There's not really any stores right here, right behind homes. It's a great location, and I love it. It's my first time staying here and it's really nice. So comment below, more tours coming. And if you are not subscribed, please do make sure you are subscribed, notifications on. I have new videos every single week, so I will see you guys soon.